Everyone, good morning. Today is Saturday. Today I'm going to cook the ginataang bilo-bilo with jackfruit, guys. Ayun na yung coconut. Ay dito na yung yung kamuti, guys, tsaka yung malagkit na bigas. Ayun lang ilagay ko, guys, kasi hindi ako nakabili ng ibang sahog. And guys, lagay na natin yung langka, guys. We put the jackfruit here. And later we put the bilo-bilo, guys. And then sugar, and then the coconut, guys. Nag-violet yung color niya kasi kamuti yung kulay violet. Guys, mamaya na lang. Guys, ayan na yung ginataang bilo-bilo. Lumutang na yung bilo-bilo, guys. Ngayon, time to put the sugar, guys. Guys, time to put the sugar. I don't like very sweet, guys. Baka tama na yun, konti pa baka ayan. I don't like very sweet. This one is a Filipino dish. It's like a dessert in the Philippines, guys. Because I want to eat this one. Ginataang bilo-bilo with a jackfruit. Yan na, guys. Guys, malapit na. Kakain na tayo, guys. Pero kasing kumain ito, guys. Kaya nagluto ako. Mag-isa lang naman ako kakain nito. Hanggang bukas ko pa to, guys. Yan na, guys. Mamaya kainin na natin yan. This product of the ginataang bilo-bilo. Time to taste. This one is the sweet potato, the jackfruits, the glutinous rice, and the bilo-bilo, guys. Okay, guys, time to eat. Guys, time to taste my ginataang bilo-bilo. Yan, medyo mainit pa, guys. This one is like a carrots, right? But it's not. It's a kamote, sweet potato, guys. Ganun ang kulay niya. Okay, guys, time to eat. Let's eat, guys. Ang gusto ko dito, guys, yung bilo-bilo eh. Tsaka yung langka. I just like this one in the jackfruit. Harap. Hindi siya ganong matamis, guys. The taste is balanced, not so sweet because I don't like so sweet. It's a Filipino dessert. It's a Filipino food. Ginataang bilo-bilo. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you're new here in my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comments down below guys para alam niyo na may bago tayong video. And click the notification bell guys. Ayun, para alam niyo na may bago tayong upload. Okay guys? Thank you for watching guys. Bye!